from question
I
7.
know, Akshaj, please don't tell me. I am also very intelligent like you, so I also know. Okay, we are doing question number 7. N till that dot dot dash dash. In the same way, you will write collect till collect. Okay. Now we have done this answer 7. We have written money collected from one student. And don't be late. There are so many students, those who are coming late. Money collected from one student is equals to rupees 23. And then in second column, you will write money collected from, how many students are there?
Ma'am, 45.
45 students. Yes. Money collected from 45 students. This we have done last time. Till here we have written and I asked you to solve it next time. So solve it. Solve it. 23 multiplied by 45. Solve it. So money collected by teacher is rupees what? Take it out quickly. Solve it.
Ma'am, I have done this question.
Solved. Have you solved this one? 23 multiplied by 5. Solve it, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Let other
Yes,
students enter by the time. Just those who are doing it, just solve it. Solve it. This we have done last time. Just solve it. No need to do it again. Those who have done it, they no need to do it again.
Ma'am.
Those who have already done it, they do not have Riddhi.
Ma'am, questions.
Tell you the answer of this. See, 3 5s are 15. Most of you have done it correct. Very good. 3 5s are, I'm hiding this 4, 3 5 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. And 10 and plus 1, sorry. Plus 1, 11.
Okay.
1 1 5. Now I rub this. 4. I'll now put a cross over here. 4 3s are 12. 2 will be here and 1 will be here. 4 2s are 8. 8 1 9. So 5 3 9 1 10. 1 0 3 5. So answer will be 1 0 3 5. Question 7 it is. Now question number 8. Question number 8. As soon as I say your name, you have to quickly switch on your camera as well as your mic and you have to speak. Oh, Anshrat Singh is present. Very good. Anshrat Singh. Anshrat Singh. Read question number 8. Cameras and this should be on as soon as I tell your name. As soon as I speak your name, your cameras and this should be on. Mic. Both of the things. Rest of the students, switch off your mic. Anshraj. Anshraj. Read question number next. Read question number 8. Read question number 8 quickly, Anshraj. He's sleeping somewhere. Okay, Sarthak. It's okay, beta. Mokshit. Mokshit. Read the next question. Read the question number 8. Read question number 8. Read question 8, Mokshit. Unable to hear you, beta. Unable to hear you. I think your network is not good. Okay, let me find somebody else. हाँ बेटा.
Okay.
Arav Gupta. Arav Gupta, read the question. Arav Gupta, read the question.
Ma'am.
Where is your book, Arav? Where are you going? Arav, where is your book? You have not opened your book.
Ma'am,
You have not
I'm
opened your
going to
books.
drink.
Naini, sit here. Naini, sit here. Sit here. Sit here. Drink water after 2 minutes. Read question 8 first of all. Read question 8. Don't act so smart over in front of me, okay? Don't be over smart.
Ma'am, which chapter?
Which chapter? Very good. Beta, he don't know which chapter is going on. Very good. Very good, Arav. What were you doing here, sitting idle?
Ma'am, I am not asking. Ma'am, I am not asking which chapter. Ma'am, he is
Achha, you are not
Anshika
asking.
asking.
Okay. Anshika is asking. Who is this Anshika Singh? There is no Anshika Singh
Ma'am,
in your class. Who is this Anshika
no,
Singh?
ma'am, his name visible on the screen.
Who is this Anshika Singh?
Ma'am, he is Arav Solanki.
Arav Solanki, Anshika Singh के name से Arav Solanki, change your name. Arav Gupta, better speak. Question number 8. Quickly. Read question 8. Arav Gupta, read question 8.
Ma'am, can I take my book?
Where is your book?
Ma'am,
Where is your book? Yes, where is your book? You are sitting with Athar Singh. Read question 8. Read it quickly, beta. Athar Singh.
ma'am, I am reading question.
Yes, beta.
There
Read it.
are 32 pages in the daily newspaper.
Okay, very good.
How many pages would be there if Raj has 247 copies of the newspaper?
Very good. There are 32 pages in a daily newspaper. Okay, daily newspaper like newspaper comes at your home. Somebody has Amar Ujala or Dainik Jagran or the Times of India. These all are daily newspapers. Okay, these all are daily newspapers. So suppose you are Raj. You are Raj, and there is one daily newspaper coming at your home, and it is having how many pages? It is having how many pages? 32 pages it is having. Jaskar, and sit properly. Sit straight. Daksh, sit straight. Daksh, stop playing. Sit straight. Now see, look here. Look at me. See, the question is given to you. Suppose there is one daily newspaper. You all are who? You all are Raj. You are Raj. And at your place, daily newspaper comes. In that daily newspaper, there are 32 pages in one newspaper. There are 32 pages in one newspaper. As soon as one newspaper come, you have 32 pages. Okay. How many pages would there be if Raj has 247 copies of the newspaper? Suppose you are Raj and you are not having one newspaper. You are having 247 newspapers. You are having 247 newspapers. You are Raj. Who is Raj? You are Raj. And one, if you have one newspaper, you will have 32 pages. Kindly switch your mic off when I speak. If you have one newspaper, you will have 32 pages. Now you are not having one newspaper, you are having one newspaper, two newspaper, three newspaper, like you have 247 newspapers. So they are asking, then how many pages would you have? How will you calculate? One newspaper, 32 pages, two newspaper, again 32, three newspaper, again 32. As if 247 newspapers you have to calculate. What you will do now? What do you have to do then? Tell me.
Multiply.
Multiply.
We have to multiply
Yes.
the newspaper. Multiply.
We have to multiply.
Wait a minute. Okay. Okay, now you can see you have to do the multiplication. Okay, now take out your notebooks and write there are, from there are dot 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 dash 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 till it is newspaper. Newspaper.
There are.
Okay, so what will be the first statement? Raise your hand for the first statement. Raise your hand, what will be the first statement? Raise your hands. What will be the first statement? I can see only one raising hand. Akshaj. Tell me what will be the first statement.
The pages in one newspaper.
Pages in one newspaper. The pages not needed. Pages, number of pages also you can write. Pages in one newspaper. Very good. Yatharth, tell the next one. Second statement. How many are there? Okay, Akshat, first of all, tell me. Wait a minute. Akshat, how many pages in one newspaper?
32.
32 pages. Okay. Yatharth, you tell what will be the next statement.
Copy.
Huh? Next statement, second statement, what will it be? What it will be? Okay, Akshita, you tell. She's raising hand for since a long time.
I'm saying that we have to start with a new page or with the same page.
Same page you can continue. Sarthak, second, tell me the second statement.
Number of pages in one. Number of pages is 200 and
200 and? Sarthak?
247.
247.
Newspapers. Statement will be same as the previous one. Same, exactly same. Okay, so it will be 32 will be written as it is and it will be multiplied by 247. So multiply 247 by 32 here. Multiply it. Get your answer. How many pages would be there if Raj has so? Jaldi se multiply it. So there will be dash pages. Do the multiplication. Beta, we always write the same statement in multiplication. 1 to 247, 32 multiplied by 247. Simple.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, good.
Ma'am, can I ask something?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, is there, ma'am, does in the statements the number of pages in one newspaper is
Yes, it is also correct. Yatharth, you want to ask whether number of pages is correct or not? Yes, it is correct. But we are shortening the statements. We want to short the statements. Maths mein, beta, what problem is we should not make long statement. We should make small statements. Okay, so I make small statements over here.
Okay, ma'am. So there will ma'am 7,704.
Very good.
Ma'am. Ma'am, I have done question.
Very good. Very good. Now we will not do the ninth one. Beta, I'm going to tell you, we are not going to do the ninth one. We are going to do the 10th one. Because ninth one is very easy. There are 54 grapes in one bunch. In one bunch, there are 54 grapes. And you have to calculate if they brought 23 bunches. You know a number of grapes in one bunch. Now you have to calculate the number of grapes in 23 bunches. So it is very easy. Okay. So we will not do this one. Ninth one we will not do. It is very easy. You have to just multiply 54 by 23. That's it. 10th one is also easy, but we are going to do 10th one. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, Ashray, you send me the previous one. You were late, okay, but still you send it good. Ansh, okay. Who is this? Ansh Raj, Ansh Patel, I think so. Ansh Patel. प्रत्यक्ष राठी और युवराज गुप्ता, आपकी नेटवर्क अपने चेक कर लिया करिए बेटा सेंड करने से पहले. Answer of this one 7